Good morning, everyone. Thanks for being prompt. Let's quickly run through today's priorities. David, how's Mr. Henderson doing on war day? Still reporting intermittent episodes of breathlessness, is he? We need to monitor his oxygen saturation closely, especially after any ambulation. Sarah, how about Mrs. Albright in B ward? Her complaints of nausea seem to have subsided, which is positive, but she mentioned some discomfort in her lower back this morning. Please assess that thoroughly. It could be muscular or something else entirely.
Right, Mihira. Mr. Henderson's SATs dipped to 92% after his short walk to the restroom. We've got him back on low-flow oxygen, and he seems more comfortable now. I'll keep a very close eye on him and document any further episodes.
Noted, Mihira. I'll do a full assessment of Mrs. Albright's back pain. She described it as a dull ache, radiating slightly. She's usually quite stoic, so even a mild complaint warrants a thorough check. Oh, and just a quick update on Mr. Finch in C ward. His blood glucose levels have been fluctuating quite a bit overnight. We've adjusted his insulin as per protocol, but we need to monitor him closely for any signs of hypo or hyperglycemia.
Excellent. Vigilance is key with all our patients. Remember, seemingly minor complaints can sometimes indicate underlying issues. Let's ensure we're communicating effectively and documenting everything meticulously. Any questions before we start our rounds?
Mihira, I want you to know that developing a cold sore is never your fault, and it does not mean you are unclean or unhealthy. These small blisters often appear when your body is simply trying to tell you that it needs a little extra care. One of the most common triggers is a dip in your immune system, which can happen during times of stress, deep fatigue, or after fighting off another illness. You might also notice that hormonal changes, like those during your menstrual cycle, can stir the virus into activity. Beyond internal shifts, external factors play a surprisingly large role as well. Exposure to harsh cold, biting wind, or intense sunlight can irritate the lip area and awaken the virus. The good news is that you have gentle, effective ways to lower your chances of a flare-up. When stress feels overwhelming, even 5 minutes of deep, slow breathing or listening to a favorite piece of music can calm your nervous system. Regular exercise, like a daily walk or stretching, works wonders to release built-up tension, while making rest a true priority gives your body the strength it needs to keep the virus dormant. Small acts of self-kindness truly are the best medicine here.